Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a giveaway video. Yay! This is in celebration of you guys, all of you guys. A couple of weeks ago I hit 5,000. Oh my god, thank you. And oh, and thank you to Crystal at Bag a Day. She shouted me out in a recent video. She mentioned me like 3 times in that video. So thank you so much, Crystal. So a lot of you have come over and I'm so excited. So it's a 5,000 plus giveaway to celebrate all you guys. I have a tutorial for this cardigan, and it's a one piece. I will link it, well, the body is a one piece, but I'll link it below. All right. Let's see what's in the giveaway. First of all, I'll have all the rules below. Please read them. This is open worldwide. You have to be 18 years or older. Your country has to be able to accept a package like this from Canada. Yeah. So it's gonna run from, today is the 18th. February 18th, 2022. It's going to run till, what the heck, next Friday, which is February 25th, 2022. And let's see what's in the giveaway. All right. So, I hope you don't mind. I'm going to be sending some Canada swag. So if you're a winner from Canada, you'll still get the Canada swag if that's okay. So the first thing is this notebook. It's one of those 3D pictures on there, some beautiful wolves and the moon, and it says Canada, and it has the spiral thing. All right, and the notebook inside has lined paper. It's a pretty nice size, I think. So you'll get that. You'll get some pencils. There's a Canada pencil here, and there's some Christmas ones. So there's 3 pencils. I don't have any pens right now. I'm gonna have to stock up. I gave away all my pens, I guess. And oh, do you guys like chocolate? There's this company not far from where I live, actually, where I walk down to. So here it is, Morden's. You'll get this box of chocolates. Morden's of Winnipeg, they're called. And their chocolate is really good. Really good. This is assorted chocolates, 200 grams. Yeah, so you'll get that. Okay, now for the yarn. I showed a yarn haul yesterday from Mary Maxim. And I'm going to give you some of that yarn. All right, so it is Mary Maxim Super Soft. And it really is. It's soft and it's squishy. Okay. Okay, it is 100 grams, 350 yards in one. 72% acrylic, 28% polyester. It's a medium 4. It has a halo. A little bit of a halo, and this one is called Sands. That's the colorway, Sands, and it's like grayish and brownish, pink, kind of a pinkish or salmonish, corally, salmony. Anyway, yeah. So you'll get 3 of the same color. So that's a lot of yardage. That's 350, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 50, 1,050. Yeah. All right, so you get that one, and then you're going to get another of the same, but in a different colorway. This is called Summer Sky. Right here, Summer Sky. And these are light pinks, different blues, dark blues. Very pretty, right? So you'll get three of that colorway. And then we have this other one that's called Silks. Same yarn, Silks is the colorway. And it's got like pinks and purples and blues and kind of a tanny color. And you will get three of those as well. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay, so make sure you read the rules that are in the description box. It's open worldwide and ends on the 25th, I said? Yes, February 25th. So what would I like you to write below? I would like you to write maybe just your all-time favorite color. First favorite color, not of the yarn, but in general. Mine is royal blue, but then I'm really getting into purple, especially dark purples, and I like dark pinks, and I like red, like a dark red maybe. Yeah, so what is your all-time favorite color in general? All right, so I think that's it. If I forgot anything, I'll write it on the screen. That's what I usually do. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being here and just being part of my amazing YouTube family. I appreciate you all so much. You're so inspiring and you teach me things, and I just love you all so much. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey everyone, welcome to Crafty. Oh my goodness, I need to put some clothes on.